Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing equipment so you get usable audio immediately. Plug your microphone into its interface or USB port and make sure phantom power is on if using a condenser. Once done, set gain so peaks land around -12 to -6 dB. This prevents clipping while preserving headroom. Place the mic 6-12 inches from your mouth, angle it slightly off-axis to reduce plosives, and confirm your recording software recognizes the input before moving to the next stage. Next, configure recording settings to capture clean audio. Choose 44, 1 or 48K HZ, and 24-bit depth for a good balance of quality and file size, then arm a record track. Enable input monitoring and switch to low-latency drivers like a CO or core audio so you can hear yourself without delay. Add a pop filter and enable a gentle high pass at about 80 Hz to remove rumble. Also create a second backup track at a slightly lower gain. You'll thank yourself if something clips. To finish, run several short test takes and scrutinize waveforms visually while listening on closed-back headphones. This reveals clipping, sibilance, or room tone. Once satisfied, stop, save project, and export a clean mix. Use WAV for masters and MP3 for sharing. Add metadata before export. If you encounter noise or hum, isolate by swapping cables, moving devices, disconnecting ground loops, or testing a powered USB hub. If problems persist, record a short sample and troubleshoot specific frequencies or hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.